Professional cleaners have used this combination for years. Prepare one large onion with antibacterial and degreasing properties. Take a jar with a lid, place the onion inside, close it, and shake vigorously. The skins will come off on their own. Then transfer the onion to a bowl and blend it thoroughly until a smooth paste forms. The finer the consistency, the more effectively the active compounds will work. Add a generous amount of toothpaste, which helps remove buildup and gently brighten surfaces. Mix everything well until a thick paste forms. Bathroom tiles quickly become coated with limescale and soap residue, so it's useful to know how to clean tiles without harsh chemicals. Apply the mixture to a sponge and spread it evenly over the surface. This is a simple cleaner's trick for spotless tiles. Leave it for about 10 minutes so the natural ingredients can dissolve dirt and buildup. Then wipe the surface with a damp microfiber cloth. This effective home method restores a fresh look to tiles without scrubbing. Just use what you already have at home. No harsh chemicals needed. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles. Even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Few people know these tricks for streak-free shiny windows. Say goodbye to smudges, brew some tea and let it cool. In the meantime, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Once the tea is cold, pour it into a spray bottle and add the lemon juice. Spray it on dirty windows, wipe them clean, and dry with a cloth. Grab an onion, cut it in half, and rub it over the glass. Then, use a microfiber cloth to polish the surface. The results will be amazing. Take a sanitary pad and attach it to a Swiffer. Remove the protective backing, stick it in place, and spray it with window cleaner. Now clean your windows with this clever tool. Fill a bowl with about 1 liter of water and add a small amount of shampoo. Dip a microfiber cloth, squeeze out excess water, and wash your windows with it. For an effective cleaner, pour 200 milliliters of vinegar into a spray bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 100 milliliters of water. Shake well and close the bottle. Sprinkle baking soda generously on the window frame. Spray the mixture over it and let the foam sit for 5 minutes. Wipe it away with a wet sponge, and the frame will look brand new. For larger windows, grab a mop and a bucket. Fill the bucket with about 1 liter of warm water, add 2 cups of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix well, soak the mop, and you're ready to clean. This is how you remove scratches from the floor. Wooden floors, although very durable, are prone to scratching. Moving furniture, pets, or small children are just some of the reasons why scratches appear on panels. The deeper the scratches, the harder they are to hide. However, there is a home remedy that helps you get rid of them quickly. You only need one thing from the kitchen. All you have to do is rub it on the scratches. It's nothing other than a walnut. Take 1 walnut out of its shell and vigorously rub it over the scratched areas. It's best to do this for about 3 minutes. The walnut is very soft, which makes it perfect for filling in the scratched spots. Its oils and natural abrasive properties do a great job of hiding small scratches and giving the wood a fresh shine. Then wipe the floor with a damp cloth. The scratches will be gone. Floor panels beautifully decorate any interior, but they require proper care. The walnut trick is a cheap and effective way to get rid of scratches. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use 2 cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about 1 liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it.